Can you say hello to Kazakhstan?
Hürmetsizliğe Kazakhstan.
You're coming for World Norman Games, right?
Yes, and for Dimash concert.
What do you think about organization?
What do you think about organization? Oh, organization is super organization of Norman Games. Congratulations, Kazakhstan. Kutlu Oh, very nice experience and know-how and all the sports I enjoyed very much. No, it's my fifth time in yeah, we're always surprised when Dimash gives a new concert, so let's see what's going to happen.